Today I have come up with another video of checking LED with multimeter. Okay, then first you have to set the knob in any position around in the voltage parameter side, or you can go to ohm side, or you can go to diode side, or you can go to HFE side, or any of the mode. Okay, now insert the LED. This is the long leg is positive and the shorter leg is negative. So insert it in PNP where the PNP transistor is checked, and then insert it. Okay, see, it's glowing. This means the LED is okay. This LED I am also checking. This is the yellow LED. Put the long end at the PNP side and the other to the next pin, and see whether the LED is glowing or not. Yes, the LED is glowing, means the LED is okay. This through this you can also measure directly the LED. Okay, so friends, how you like this video? Please like, comment and share.